2, 1, dive!
Semifinals, match number 12, Swarm very quickly flying over to the reef. Their alliance partners going up to place another coral, and 3 coral total up for the red alliance, 1 coral up for that blue alliance. And the drivers will take control. Aimbot and To Be Determined both moving to their respective human player stations. To Be Determined very quickly back, and they score a coral up on the 4th level. Aimbot, elevator up, they line up, it's over the right spot, and they score it, it's good. Nerd Herd on the red side of the field doing the same. Level 4, Swarm, level 4 as well, and they both swing back to the same human player station. The other human player station that they have being defended by C-Cubed. C-Cubed currently waiting, trying to slow down that red alliance, and they do slow down the red alliance. Swarm has to spin off of them and zoom over to that other human player station. Nerd Herd now slowed down a little bit by the defense of C-Cubed. And on the blue side of the field, 70-34, To Be Determined. Elevator up, elevator down, it's good. Aimbot with a coral half hanging out of their robot, and they managed to make it stick onto that first level. 70-34, To Be Determined, placing one before having to swerve around the Flying Hedgehogs, who are flying between different stations, trying to slow down the efforts of that blue alliance. 70-34 and Flying Hedgehogs have a collision. They release themselves, and To Be Determined returns to score more algae up on the top, or more coral up on the top. A big battle happening over on the red side of the field as C-Cubed rolls back and forth, trying to slow down the efforts of the Red Alliance. The Red Alliance seems somewhat unfazed as they place more and more coral up on the upper levels of their reef. Nerd Herd accidentally hitting an algae as they go up, but they do manage to place that coral up high. We are about to hit the end game period. Aimbot running over to that climber. Their robot lines up with their deep cage alongside To Be Determined. 957, Swarm lined up with their climber. And To Be Determined is up in the air. Swarm is up in the air with 3 seconds left. And that is the end of the match. Preliminary scores 91-70, 107-88. And of course, that means that we are saying goodbye to our number 5 alliance, Team 7.